Comes off pretty good. Seems solid now. Alright, so now I got everything figured out on this and it runs good. I'm going to fix the bearing on the front. Because the whole front fork shifts back and forth. The bearings in here are both gone. When I got it, didn't have any forks in the front. I put them on there and the bearings all fell apart when I swapped them over. So I'm going to put a new set of bearings on there. And then it'll be ready to ride. Need to get a headlight on it. It's the girlfriend's bike. And then yeah, it should be good to go. First, I'm going to take off the two outer bolts here, and then big nut in the back there. This top piece should pop off, and then should be able to slide the bottom out. I'll take it right off to be able to get the bottom bearings out when the one's on. And then I didn't have the right size wrench, but if you had a 30mm wrench, you probably got it underneath the handlebars there. Take this nut off. But I had to take the whole handlebars off. Not too big of a deal, just 4 10mm bolts. Comes off pretty good. Alright, so once you got that plate off, got this big nut here to spin off. It's coming off by hand, but if not, you could use a hammer and a chisel and knock it around. So yeah, that's what's left of my top bearings. See, it's definitely missing a couple of them. So there's a comparison with the new one. It's nice that it comes with new nuts for the top washer. It should turn real nice after. Pretty clunky right now. Alright, got the new bearings on there. It goes on pretty easy. Just jacked it up and slides off the bottom. And just slip the new bearing on, put it back, slip a new one on top. Start putting the nuts back on. I'm gonna give it a couple taps to the hammer and the chisel, tighten that up, and then put the handlebars back on. She's ready to do some wheelies. So I ended up not using the nuts that came with it. This one was too tall, and that plate, silver plate that goes on top, wouldn't fit on right. And then this one just doesn't fit right, the threads aren't the same. But it's going back together good now. Alright, I think it's time for a test ride. Seems solid now. It does good wheelies.